Coffee grinder electric, highydroLED portable coffee bean grinder with stainless steel blade, one-touch coffee grinder for beans, spices, nuts and grains, cleaning brush included. Easy to use just by simply pressing the lid with different seconds to perfectly control the precision of the grinding. Through the transparent cover, you can observe the grinding process and get coarse or fine coffee powder. Fresh coffee. High-quality 304 food-grade stainless steel and 200W powerful motor ensure continuously and even grinding for better maintaining the original rich aroma and oil of the coffee bean. Capacity 1.8 ounces, 50 grams, capacity. Enough CAPACITY and 100% safety. This grinder is enabled to grind coffee beans up to 50 grams at a time for 8 cups of coffee. Multi-purpose use it to grind nuts and spices or coffee beans. Cleaning brush included. Guarantee policy: we promise a 30-day money-back and provide 12 months product warranty. If there is any product issues, please feel free to contact us. We always be here. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.